Hi, I'm Dan Carlson with Tailwinds Research. Today we're going to be talking about a new company on which we've recently rolled out coverage and about which we're very excited. The company is called biOasis Technologies and its ticker on the Toronto Stock Exchange is BTI.V. Today I'm going to be discussing 3 reasons why we like biOasis and why you might consider this stock for your portfolio. But first, let's discuss what biOasis does and the problem this company addresses. biOasis is a biotech company based in Vancouver. The company has developed and is now commercializing the groundbreaking Transcend platform for the delivery of therapeutic compounds across the blood-brain barrier and into the central nervous system. This is a major medical breakthrough, as the delivery of therapeutics across the blood-brain barrier has been the single greatest challenge in the treatment of hundreds of CNS diseases. An estimated 98% of potential drug treatments for brain disorders are unable to penetrate the CNS. Which leads us to reason number 1 to look at biOasis. The CNS drug market is huge. CNS drugs are drugs that affect the central nervous system. The market for CNS drugs is currently the second largest therapeutic market with a current value of $56 billion and growing rapidly. In CNS treatments, the Transcend platform could work with most existing medications, transporting them across the blood-brain barrier in higher quantities than previously achieved. An example of this is Herceptin, a $6 billion cancer drug that is not currently used for CNS therapies. Due to the blood-brain barrier, Herceptin has limited effectiveness against brain tumors, having only demonstrated 0.2% penetration in the brain. However, in their trials, biOasis has managed to get up to 6% penetration of Herceptin across the barrier. These are unheard of results and could result in a change in the way brain tumors are treated. And it's not just Herceptin. The Transcend platform has demonstrated similar results when combined with a number of different CNS medications, each of which has issues crossing the blood-brain barrier on its own. The bottom line, biOasis has an incredible opportunity to seriously change the whole CNS market, and it's a huge market. It's this opportunity to impact the market through partnering on existing drugs, which leads me to reason number 2 to look at biOasis. The company is currently transitioning from an R&D company to a commercial partnership platform. Since inception, biOasis has achieved a significantly high level of success in dozens of studies at over 20 pharmaceutical companies and third-party institutions. They have also been granted over 30 patents on their technology. The next step is commercialization. During 2016, biOasis signed 2 significant licensing agreements with Vasinex and Astellas Research. These agreements are proof of the effectiveness of the Transcend platform and its attractiveness for additional licensing opportunities. At Tailwinds Research, we believe biOasis is on the verge of signing a number of licensing deals with even stronger partners. The third and final reason we are excited about biOasis is the valuation of the shares. The market opportunity for biOasis is huge, yet it only has a market cap of $60 million at this time with a clean balance sheet and minimal cash burn. We believe that the market cap of biOasis doesn't begin to reflect what could be the case once the company starts receiving revenue. The revenue opportunity is substantial and is very high margin due to the licensing model. More significant partnerships should help reveal the true value of biOasis shares. Which is not to say that biOasis is ignored. In a difficult market for microcap biotech, the share price is relatively flat year to date, but well ahead of the biotech index. The technical analysis supports this as well, with biOasis stock remaining in an uptrend. Meanwhile, the shares are deeply oversold, suggesting that now could be a good entry point. Thus, to recap, Tailwinds Research is a strong believer in the upside potential of biOasis shares. The company is entering a huge market. They are transitioning from an R&D company to a commercial enterprise in real time, and the shares are technically and fundamentally undervalued and poised to outperform.